And we're back. Alright guys, I just finished up doing some renderings of this Bohemian Grove environment that I finished up sculpting within the last couple days. And now that that's done, I'm just going to go run around the level in third person view and go explore and show you how I put it all together. And I'll full screen this for you guys. Alright. I checked the collision on a few things, but on the water, I guess I did not check it, and so I'm just like walking around the water. Does not matter. So for renders that are just going to be a straight-on shot, obviously you don't need to completely populate your scene, so there's a lot of like sparse or even barren areas. I did not even need to put really these trees in behind here. And this is just like done with PCG, procedural content generation. It's just like a big bounding box, and then it populates the trees. Alright, the bulk of the work was the, the owl sculpt, the boulders. Now here's a little fun fact Easter egg here. I had my last name in all of... If you go look at my art station, all of like the big environmental pieces, I always hide a signature in there. Let's see. I spent a lot of time sculpting this. Too much time sculpting this lamp, this like owl lamp. I can't get very close. And it's, of course, you cannot see it at all in the final render. Alright, and this is what it looks like behind the owl. It's kind of cool. I think this could be a good start to a survival horror game. Escape from Bohemian Grove. Or you're just like a drifter or something, and then you end up, oh, I could take like this part-time job working at this summer camp for rich people. And then, it turns into a horror game, and you have to like... like behind here is where they hunt the poors for sport. Let's see. All of these trees were placed... these are all like hero trees from Megascans. And then these trees further back in the distance, same with behind that little lake, are all done with PCG. But for the ones that are going to be directly visible in the shot, I always hand place those. Yeah, see, there's a... Look at... I don't know how well you can tell the size difference. These trees, and then there's like a little gap, and then we get to these trees, which are all just PCG. I didn't spend too much time. I don't think any of the stuff is even visible sculpting the landscape behind here, but I tried out a little bit of variation. When you're building it out, you're not 100% sure what's going to show up in the final render, so it's better to just, have it in there. Originally I wanted to have like the full moon backlighting the scene, but there was so much trees in the way that also... I don't think we can see. I think the moon's behind the clouds right now. Yeah, this could definitely be like a Resident Evil type game or something. You find a little abandoned shack back here with like body parts and stuff everywhere, blood everywhere. Let's see. Oh, I think we're at the end of the non-animate marking job queue overflow. Performance may be affected. Oh, hopefully the performance isn't affected too badly, guys. I think we're almost at the edge of the map. Oh, there's a little bit more. I didn't do any distance meshes either for this piece because I knew that for sure that wasn't going to be visible. Oop. Back to flat ground. It's difficult to tell how you're sculpting the landscape until you actually get in there and run around with a character. I thought these were just like some gentle hills, and this is like a big valley. Let's see if we can get back to the owl. I think the game could also start this way. You're just lost in the woods. Your car breaks down, you're lost in the woods, and then all of a sudden in the distance, you see like a fire, and then you go up, and then it's like these weird cultists at this giant owl statue. Like, what is that over there? Oh my god! Oh, we got a floater over here. Not sure what's going on with this fire. I don't think this like weird rainbowy halo thing going on here. I don't know if you can see that in the final render either. It's pretty cool.